Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
This short tutorial shows how to update a Windows 11 audio driver using Device Manager. First, press Windows key plus X to open the Quick Links menu immediately. Select Device Manager from the list and expand Sound, Video, and Game controllers. Right-click your audio device and choose Update Driver to begin the process. Pick Search automatically for drivers to let Windows check online and install updates. If no update appears, choose Browse My Computer for drivers to use a downloaded file. To download drivers, manually visit your PC Maker or Audio Chipset Maker website and search by model. Choose the exact Windows 11 driver matching your architecture, 64-bit or 32-bit, and build. Save the driver folder to an easy path like C/drivers/audio before installing. Back in Device Manager, use Browse My Computer for drivers and point to the saved folder. Select Let Me Pick from a list if you need to choose the INF file manually. After installation, restart Windows and test audio. Check volume, playback, and microphone functions. If audio worsens, open Device Manager and use Rollback Driver for an immediate revert. If rollback is unavailable, right-click the device and choose Uninstall Device and delete drivers. Restart Windows so the system reinstalls a default driver automatically from Windows Update. You can also run Windows Update and install optional updates that list driver packages. Keep your audio cable connections, jack seating, and headset battery verified before blaming software. If problems persist, use System Restore to a point before the update or contact support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.